Hello everyone. Today I am sharing about 10 sentences of use of daily life. So let's start. I wake up early in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I like this. I like this. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. I am at home. I am at home. I need some help. I need some help. What is your name? What is your name? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Please wait here. Please wait here. Let's practice together. Let's practice together. It is very good. It is very good. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.